How to copy a formula in Excel without changing cell reference. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, select the cell where there is formula used. After you select the cell, you will find formula on top in formula bar, which is beside FX. Simply select the formula, press on copy on top, or simply select CTRL plus C. After that, if you want to use formula, simply paste it by clicking on paste located on top left, or simply press on CTRL plus V and it will be pasted. This is how to copy your formula in Excel without changing cell reference. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.